Get possessed by possessive determiners. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a very important part of English grammar, possessive determiners. They're small but mighty words that show who owns or possesses something. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. So buckle up, it's time to get possessive. Possessive determiners are words that we use in front of nouns to show ownership or possession. We're talking about words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. For example, consider these sentences. 1. This is my book. 2. That is your car. 3. We love our dog. In each case, the possessive determiner comes before the noun and shows who the noun belongs to. Now that you know what possessive determiners are, let's talk about how to use them correctly. Remember that these words change depending on the subject. So, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their all correspond to different subjects. I to my, I love my cat. You to your, you left your keys on the table. He to his, he is wearing his new shoes. She to her, she lost her phone. It greater than its, the dog is wagging its tail. We to our, we are proud of our work. They to their, they live in their dream house. You may have noticed that we don't say, its tail is wagging. Instead, we say, its tail is wagging. This is because, its, is a contraction of, it is, or, it has, not a possessive determiner. It's an easy mistake to make, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of possessive determiners in English. Remember, these words show who owns or possesses something. Use my, your, his, her, its, our, or their in front of a noun to indicate possession. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using possessive determiners like a pro. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.